Stories for kids on MyScience tutorials. My name is Character Fofoy and I'll be your storyteller. Today's story is titled The Adventures of Lily and Leo. Once upon a time, in the cozy town of Sunnyville, there lived two adventurous siblings named Lily and Leo. They were known far and wide for their insatiable curiosity and their knack for finding magical treasures. One sunny morning, Lily and Leo stumbled upon a mysterious old map while exploring their grandparents' attic. The map led them on an exciting quest to uncover a hidden treasure deep in the Enchanted Forest. Eager to embark on the adventure, Lily and Leo packed their backpacks with snacks and a compass and a sense of wonder. They set off into the Enchanted Forest, a place filled with talking animals, sparkling streams, and enchanted trees. Their first encounter was the wise old owl named Oliver, who became their guide through the forest. Oliver shared stories of ancient legends and warned them of the challenges they would face on their journey. Their first challenge came in the form of a riddle. To cross a magical bridge, they had to solve a riddle posed by the mysterious gnome named Zimo. With their clever thinking, Lily and Leo cracked the riddle and continued their adventure. As they ventured deeper into the forest, they came across a friendly family of squirrels who were in a desperate need of help. The mischievous squirrel had lost their acorn supply, and the winter was approaching. Lily and Leo, with their resourcefulness, built a clever contraption to collect acorns, ensuring the squirrel would have enough food for the cold months ahead. Continuing their journey, Lily and Leo encountered a playful river nymph named Nia, who taught them how to communicate with the animals of the forest. With their newfound ability, they befriended a kind-hearted bear named Benny and a mischievous fox named Finn, who joined them on their quest. Together, Lily, Leo, Benny, and Finn faced the final challenge, a treacherous maze guarded by an enchanted guardian. The guardian tested their courage and teamwork, but with Lily's quick thinking, Leo's bravery, Benny's strength, and Finn's cunning, they triumphed over the guardian and reached the treasure at the heart of the maze. To their surprise, the treasure was not gold or jewels, but a magical book. The book contained stories of imagination and adventure, capable of squeaking anyone away to distant land and inspiring endless possibilities. Lily and Leo returned to Sunnyville with their newfound treasure and shared the stories from their magical book with their friends and family. The stories ignited the imaginations of everyone who listened, and the once quiet town was filled with excitement and wonder. From that day forward, Lily and Leo became the storytellers of Sunnyville, sharing tales of their adventures and inspiring others to seek out their own magical journey. And so, the siblings' legacy of imagination and exploration lived on, reminding everyone that, with a curious spirit and a dash of bravery, extraordinary adventures await at every turn. The end.